like them more than I do the stupid ones that she's talking about. Because you have somebody like
This is a test. This is the Susquehanna Nuclear Annual Siren Test. This is only a test. The Susquehanna Steam Electric Station is presently conducting a coordinated two-county siren test. The sirens that you are hearing are part of a coordinated two-county test of the Susquehanna Steam Electric Station's siren warning system. This is only a test. This has been the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency.
Com Center 37-1.
Looking at the sources, and I think shame on them for doing that, for taking advantage of people. Why not tell the truth? Why not put forth the platform so that we can, as Americans, regardless of education, regardless of